Hey friends, it's Akideris, and so it's currently almost 7 p.m. and we are ready for dinner. And so last night, those of you who follow me on Twitter probably saw me post that Domino's Japan released a thing called Tsundere pizza. Our friend Nabi is here and he bought 3 cartons of milk because we're all gonna start eating this for dinner tonight. We're going to be ordering this. I wanted to just make sure what Domino's had to say about it. And dude, on Twitter there's only 3 posts about this. Check it out. It's a tsundere pizza and that looks like a whole can of jalapenos just stacked up on a pizza. You might think this jalapeno loaded pizza would be a scorcher, but the cheese coating keep the flavor nice and mild. This pizza is 4 happy range. What the hell does that mean? I'm so weak to spicy food, but I think I'm just gonna get 2 pizzas. One that's like normal and one is just this. Okay, medium, regular, or large? What do you guys want? Can you guys eat a large tsundere?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah, I can eat a large by myself.
They like their tsunderes large. Okay. So, I know, it's 40 bucks, bro. The tsundere like better be hella good, bro. Do you think I could ask them to have it flat? I like my tsunderes flat.
Hey, there's an option for that, I guess.
We would like our tsunderes large and hand tossed.
Oh.
Yeah.
I know, pizza in Japan is so fucking expensive. Oh my god. Oh my god, 72 bucks. That's the most that I have ever bought pizza. Oh my god. What do you guys expect from the tsundere pizza?
It's gonna hurt.
It's gonna hurt?
It's gonna hurt me bad.
Oh, well at least we have 3 milk cartons. This is gonna be a spicy tsundere.
It's jalapenos and cheese. That's just...
Yeah, it's just covered in jalapenos. I don't understand.
That's just gonna be a really seriously painful shit.
Oh, god damn it.
It's your video, so you have to do it.
Like, how would you order a tsundere pizza in America? It's like, I'd like my tsundere flat, salty, and spicy, please. Yes. Who was the guy that thought of it? Did he just drop a bunch of jalapenos on the pizza and was just like, this is a tsundere pizza?
Well, there's multiple, like, food in Japan is just weird in general.
Right.
I mean, there's a tsundere parfait, which I ate a few
How was that?
It was a few months ago.
How was that?
It was like,
Was it spicy?
Oh, it's not spicy. It's like bitter.
Someone said that I should have ordered the tsundere cookies to go with the tsundere pizza. We could have that for dessert.
Oh god.
And
I'm good, fam. I've already had them before for a video.
I just started Pokemon Masters, so we're all just gonna kill time playing Pokemon Masters up until then. How's yours doing?
I haven't been playing that much, but yeah.
I've been playing a lot.
How much have you spent on Pokemon Masters?
40 bucks.
You got the goods. Did you get the goods?
It's hot.
Who wants a slice? We got our tsundere pizzas. Let's see, which one is it? Does it say? It doesn't say. We're just going to have to open them up. It's the. I bet it's this one. Dun 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 dun. Oh shit!
What is it?
Spoilers! It's this one. Swear to God. Da 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 da. Oh my God, that is death. Joey.
Ooh.
Joey.
It's basically a
my nose.
It's basically a pepperoni pizza, just like there's actually pepperoni under it. You can see. It's just a pepperoni pizza, but with a shit ton of jalapenos.
The milk! Bring out the milk!
That actually looks really fucking good, not gonna lie.
I don't think I can eat that, but we're going to have to.
Yep, you're gonna have to.
I'll just get this slice right here. Man, I haven't ordered pizza in Japan before, I don't think. Ow, fucker!
Come on, pick up all the the jalapenos.
I did pick up all the pepperoni.
Pick up all the jalapenos.
Ouch!
Oh my god.
How'd I miss? Mind you, I'm very aware that this is just a pepperoni pizza with jalapenos on it, but they put the word tsundere in it, so I couldn't resist. I'm so bad with spicy food, dude. It's actually like going up in my nose. You're just giddy here. It's not like I like it spicy, but
Why would they make this pizza?
Whatever.
Does it taste good at least? Milk's right there, by the way.
My flat girl is so spicy. It's so spicy. I don't like it. I need milk. Does it cancel it out if I just pour milk on the pizza?
I mean, if
Just
you can.
being-
No, oh my god, why would you do that? That's actually fucking disgusting.
Oh my god.
I'm guessing it's not going to.
That's cheese inside. It's basically the same thing.
Yeah, basically, but it's still fucking gross. No, it didn't cancel it out. You gotta finish this slice at least.
They're way too spicy. They are not good. It is painful.
That is a traffic accident in pizza form. Hey, at least you got those fucking disco jeans on, boy. Is it good?
Yeah.
You try. Get yourself a slice, boy.
Oh yeah.
I like tsunderes.
You
I'm
like-
eating the jalapenos.
See, I didn't really grow up on spicy food. This is just us eating a jalapeno pizza.
This is just a really fucking good pizza.
You like it?
No.
Oh, it's too much for me. That's too much spice for me.
I'm getting another one.
Oh yeah.
It's actually really good.
Is that how you look at your tsunderes? Is this how you look like watching Toradora?
Oh yeah.
When you saw Daiga?
I don't have enough tsunderes in me.
Oh yeah.
I thought I liked Bakugo, but I guess I don't like spicy boys.
This is like Bakugo and his entire family on pizza.
I don't think I can fit this all in my mouth.
The things you do for YouTube.
美味しいね。
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 頼むから吐かないで。Swallow it. Swallow it. Chew a lot, chew a lot, chew a lot, chew a lot, chew a lot. 大丈夫、大丈夫、大丈夫。Wash it down with milk.
Ow!
Don't scratch your eye.
Oh yeah. Huh?
Do you recommend people get this tsundere pizza?
If they want to hurt themselves, sure. Here, I'll show you what a dandere pizza would look like. Dandere have like no flavor. They like it shy, they like it quiet, they don't want anything.
This hurts to watch.
That's a dandere pizza.
This is jalapenos.
Yeah, it's a little spicy though.
Oh my god.
なんでだよ。
全部食べましょうか?
食べるよ。
Okay.